Have you ever imagined a warship that can launch stealth fighters and drones like an aircraft carrier, deploy landing craft and amphibious assault vehicles like a dock landing ship, and is even dubbed by global military experts as an aircraft carrier disguised as an amphibious assault ship? China's Type 076 amphibious assault ship is precisely such a revolutionary vessel that redefines traditional naval warfare. Recent developments involving its lead ship, the HJ-076, Sichuan, particularly the critical testing of its electromagnetic catapult system, have sparked intense global military analysis. This not only signals imminent sea trials, but also heralds a new era for the Chinese Navy's blue water warfare capabilities. The Type 076 has garnered such intense attention primarily due to its groundbreaking design philosophy and technological integration. According to analyses from multiple domestic and international military research institutions, its full load displacement is believed to reach as high as 48,000 tons, with some estimates even approaching 50,000 tons. This not only far exceeds China's current Type 075 amphibious assault ship, but also surpasses the displacement of the U.S. America-class amphibious assault ship, making it arguably the world's largest amphibious assault ship by displacement. Its massive size accommodates a full-length, flat flight deck measuring approximately 260 meters long and 43 meters wide. This deck width offers a significant advantage over the 32.3 meters of the U.S. America class, providing ample space for simultaneous operations of more aircraft, particularly large unmanned aerial vehicles. The internal hull space has also been correspondingly expanded, featuring a vast hangar spanning thousands of square meters. Combined with two elevators on the flight deck, this enables highly efficient aircraft deployment and maintenance operations. Its most revolutionary feature is the electromagnetic catapult track exceeding 100 meters in length on the flight deck. This configuration is unique among amphibious assault ships worldwide, fundamentally overcoming the aviation operational limitations of such vessels. Traditional amphibious assault ships primarily rely on helicopters and vertical, short takeoff and landing, tall, STOL, fighters, whose takeoff, landing capabilities and deployment efficiency are constrained. The Type 076, leveraging electromagnetic catapults, can launch fixed-wing aircraft including stealth unmanned attack drones like the A-11 and A-21. The GZ-21, the latest large stealth naval drone officially announced for naval service, made its public debut during the 9/3 military parade. Featuring foldable wings and omnidirectional stealth capabilities, it will become a standard weapon for both the Type 076 and aircraft carriers. Electromagnetic catapulting enables these drones to launch fully fueled and armed, maximizing their combat radius and weapon payload. More notably, numerous military experts and analysts both domestically and internationally believe the Type 076 theoretically possesses the capability to operate manned fixed-wing carrier-based aircraft, such as the J-35 stealth fighter and KJ-600 early warning aircraft. This enables the Type 076 to deliver air combat capabilities approaching those of a medium-sized aircraft carrier in specific operational scenarios. Some analyses even suggest that its combat effectiveness, when carrying J-35s, could, in certain circumstances, rival that of the Shandong or Liaoning carriers. This capability leap is primarily attributable to the introduction of the electromagnetic catapult system. Compared to traditional steam catapults, it offers advantages such as higher energy efficiency, controllable launch precision, and simplified maintenance, making it particularly suitable for use on amphibious assault ships with relatively limited hull space. Beyond its formidable aviation capabilities, the Type 076 remains true to its core role as an amphibious assault ship. Its dual island design serves functional purposes beyond aesthetic appeal. The forward island likely handles navigation command, while the aft island focuses on air traffic control, enabling operational separation and mutual interference avoidance. Simultaneously, the dual island layout is closely tied to its propulsion system upgrade. Multiple analyses indicate the Type 076 may have transitioned from the Type 075's diesel engines to gas turbine propulsion, integrated with a medium voltage direct current (MVDC) integrated full electric propulsion system. Internally, the Type 076 retains a landing craft well for carrying amphibious vehicles, like the Type 726 hovercraft. It features a vehicle compartment capable of loading armored vehicles such as the Type 05 amphibious assault vehicle and the PLZ-07B self-propelled howitzer. Its hangar can accommodate multiple models of armed and transport helicopters, including the Z-20 and Z-8L. This multifunctional integration of aircraft carrier plus dock landing ship plus transport vessel makes the Type 076 an unprecedented comprehensive combat platform globally. It transcends the role of merely supporting amphibious operations, instead becoming a pivotal battlefield node during the initial stages of island seizure and maritime control through its formidable air combat capabilities. From a tactical perspective, the introduction of the Type 076 amphibious assault ship will fundamentally transform traditional amphibious warfare. During the initial stages of a landing operation, the Type 076 can leverage its electromagnetic catapult-launched J-35 stealth fighters and Z-11 attack drones to swiftly seize air superiority over the landing zone. This enables precision strikes against critical enemy targets such as beachhead defenses and command centers. Subsequently, armed helicopters from its hangars can provide close-range fire support for landing forces, while hovercraft from the well deck and amphibious armored vehicles from the vehicle compartments enable rapid deployment of landing troops. This multi-dimensional, multi-wave amphibious assault capability will significantly enhance the success rate and efficiency of landing operations. Compared to similar vessels internationally, the Type 076's unique positioning leaves it with virtually no direct counterparts. While the U.S. Navy's most advanced America-class amphibious assault ships possess limited aviation capabilities through their F-35B short takeoff, vertical landing aircraft, their sortie efficiency and aircraft capacity are constrained by their takeoff and landing methods. The Type 076, equipped with electromagnetic catapults and arresting gear, can operate a wider variety of fixed-wing aircraft with higher sortie rates. The UK's Queen Elizabeth-class carriers, while larger in displacement, lack amphibious warfare capabilities. Amphibious assault ships like Russia's Mistral-class and France's Mistral-class lag significantly behind the Type 076 in both displacement and air combat capabilities. This unique combination of capabilities positions the Type 076 as a distinct entity within the global naval equipment landscape. From a strategic perspective, the development and construction of the Type 076 reflect the Chinese Navy's resolute commitment to transitioning toward a far sea defense strategy. As national interests become increasingly globalized, the Chinese Navy requires capabilities to safeguard those interests and fulfill international responsibilities in more distant waters. The Type 076, as a large platform integrating amphibious projection and aviation warfare capabilities, is ideally suited for executing missions such as far sea operations, overseas interest protection, and humanitarian rescue, particularly in safeguarding maritime transport lines and protecting overseas investments. The Type 076 can play a crucial role. According to analyses by specialized military media outlets like the U.S. Naval News website, China may plan to build at least 4 Type 076 amphibious assault ships. These would complement the existing 3 aircraft carriers and 8 Type 075 amphibious assault ships, forming a multi-tiered, comprehensive blue water warfare system. Within this framework, the Type 076 assumes a unique role. It can serve as an auxiliary aviation platform within carrier strike groups to enhance air combat capabilities, independently lead amphibious task forces to execute medium-intensity amphibious assault missions, and function as a mobile maritime base during low-intensity conflicts, providing sustained intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities alongside precision strike capabilities. With the Sichuan Sea trials approaching, the Chinese Navy is one step closer to acquiring this revolutionary combat platform. Online images reveal that the ship's onboard radar systems have been installed and calibrated, including a new active phased array radar and electronic warfare systems. These capabilities will provide robust situational awareness and self-defense. Simultaneously, deck arresting gear for aircraft has been deployed, preparing for upcoming fixed-wing carrier-based aircraft landing tests. In summary, the rapid advancement of the Type 076, Sichuan, marks a monumental leap for the Chinese Navy in its concepts of global reach, amphibious warfare, and maritime aviation operations. By integrating electromagnetic catapults with unmanned aerial vehicle technology, it successfully elevates the amphibious assault ship's role from a traditional support platform to a blue water mainstay capable of independently executing complex combat missions and even partially replacing aircraft carrier functions. Once it completes sea trials and enters formal service, it will inevitably reshape the maritime power balance in the Western Pacific and beyond, profoundly influencing the conduct of future high-end conflicts.